Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, or you can call me Bree, and today I'm unboxing another pair of shoes. I'm always buying shoes. Anyways, I'm gonna be unboxing some Jordan 4s, which is really out of my comfort zone. I'm quite nervous to try these shoes on. I really like seeing them on guys. Like, I love how that bulky shoe looks and how like those sneakerheads wear those shoes. I'm nervous for myself to try and experiment with these shoes. I hope I don't look silly in them because I am a small petite girl, and so yeah, we'll see. This is the Jordan 4 box. I did get a grade school size because I do have small feet. It is the Jordan 4 Retros Off-White Military Blues. As you can see, I think this is the box most people get. I remember seeing my cousin have a box like these. I'm not sure for 4s, but yeah, really nervous. And this is how they look. I have not opened them. I found them at a mall. I think it was a Foot Locker. I don't remember what it was. And also they came with this little cute sticker. It's kind of like gold. I thought it was really cute. I didn't know that like grade school sizes came with stickers. Supposedly that, well, from what my cousin says, that they only give like the little hang tags on like the adult sizes. So I guess it's a pro and a con to wear. Like, hopefully I fit both sizes so I can try on and get stuff from the adult men's sizes. But anyways, this is the Jordan 4. It is so beautiful. I'm so nervous to try this on. You see like there's a little clear and it has a beautiful blue gray off-white and the little meshing there, which you can see that there's blue there. I just thought they were so cute. A girl saying cute to usually no men basketball shoes. And then back says the Air, has a Nike check and this little tag, which I'm kind of scared like after wearing it so much it's gonna just break off. Beautiful. And then like the little tongue is quite thick and it has like this little secret Easter egg that I didn't know. It says Air Jordan, and that's really cool. Maybe some people wear them like that. I don't think I could wear them like that. I'll just keep it in, and maybe with some nice like cargo pants you can wear them. I feel like I'll look awkward if I wore shorts with these, because most of the time like you just see those sneakerheads wearing the shorts with the long socks and the Jordans. But who knows, maybe I'll be growing my 4 collection. And yeah, I'm just really excited to have these. There is no extras, so it's just these like little off-white gray shoelaces. I would have liked if they had whites. I feel like it would have just popped a little more, but everything does mesh beautifully together. And I'm just excited. And then on tongue it says the flight. So any women out there that wear Jordan 4s, let me know how you guys style them, because I'm really excited. And also they need to drop some pink ones, please. I've been wanting some beautiful pink 4s, even though I'm not sure if they exist or they don't exist. I know I've seen a lot of replications, and I just want some pink 4s, please. That's my favorite color and what I mostly wear, and I feel like they would sell a ton of them if they dropped some. But that's just my opinion, and I'm just one person. Like, I'm probably the only one who wants pink 4s, but please, Nike, Jordans, you should just drop some pink ones. And yeah, excited to try these on. I've heard they're 4s are really comfortable shoes and just beautiful. You can see the little blue air. So let me know what you guys think, and if you had 4s before, or what's your favorite Jordan model, and let me know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.